Hidden within Great Falls, Virginia's prestigious Innsbruck neighborhood, this 5-acre estate is a masterclass in indoor-outdoor living that actually delivers on the promise. Designed in collaboration with landscape visionary Charles Owen, the grounds are so meticulously curated they might make your local botanical garden a bit insecure. Inside, the architecture prioritizes flow. Eschewing the stuffiness often found in grand manors, the residence embraces a light-drenched, open-concept floor plan, where numerous French doors act more like suggestions than boundaries. The chef's kitchen, anchored by a massive marble island, transitions seamlessly into living spaces, where floor-to-ceiling windows frame the verdant Virginia landscape. The main-level primary suite is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a soaking tub, 2 dressing rooms, finally enough space for both your evening wear and your weekend gardener hobbyist gear, and a private patio for quiet mornings. The lifestyle here is decidedly resort casual. Between the saltwater infinity pool, the tranquil koi pond, and a cabana featuring a full outdoor bar, you'll rarely find a reason to actually go inside. Whether you're hosting a black tie gala on the sprawling lawn or simply enjoying the hum of the water fountains, the estate manages to feel both palatial and intimate. It's the kind of home that makes staying in the ultimate social event.